If you need to reset two-factor authentication on YouTube TV, follow these steps to ensure your account is secure and accessible. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the YouTube TV website or app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security or privacy section where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable it. You may be asked to verify your identity through an email or SMS code. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set it up again, choosing your preferred method, e.g., SMS Authenticator app. Step 5. Confirm changes. Once you have re-enabled two-factor authentication, check your settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. You may want to test the authentication method to confirm it works. By following these steps, you can successfully reset two-factor authentication on your YouTube TV account. Always ensure your account security settings are up to date to protect your information.